menopause coaching programs, I use a holistic approach. Here, we first identify your goals, we analyze your background, and then we create a program together with you to regulate your lifestyle for nutrition, sleep, exercise, and daily routines. I guide you, I motivate you, I hold your hand, I stay by your side, and I make sure that you reach your goals and create a happy, healthy menopause transition. So how we're going to do this? We're going to create online and in person a hybrid program, whichever suits you well. We're going to meet periodically. We're going to improve your overall well-being and many other signs and symptoms that comes with perimenopause and menopause. And at the end of the program, you're gonna feel much more energized and the best version of yourself. And the best part is you're gonna continue these good habits, these daily routines on your own, with your own inner motivation and wisdom. I look forward to guiding you on your menopause journey and support you at every step. Check out my website and contact me for your free discovery call, and let's do this together.